और भी सस्ता मिलता है, फिर मार्केट जाओगे तो ये कहीं ना कहीं तुम्हें ये भी मिल जाएगा, इसके लिए तुम्हें इतना खर्च करना है।
To run back home.
थू 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 थू, प्लीज मेरे स्किन पे नजर मत लगाना।
Good morning, this is Bosslady Shruti and today I actually wanted to go to the mall because I wanted to get some really nice like sort of formal wear. I have a lot of, I have a lot of casual stuff, but I don't have a lot of formal wear, I realized. And I've really been enjoying, wearing these pantsuits and stuff like that lately. So I just thought that I'll go and pick up something, and there are discounts going on everywhere. That's the good thing about the month of December. And the broke bitch that I am, I love a good deal, so I'm always shopping during the sale season. So that's why I thought today let me go to the mall and check out like probably Zara or H&M and stuff like that. If you know me, you know that I'm not really a mall shopping person. Like, I love exploring local markets. They have such hidden gems in them, and I am a huge online shopper, so I am constantly adding things to my cart that I don't really see myself going to the mall because I feel like वो थोड़ा extra effort हो जाता है मेरे लिए. So I just so that's why today I wanted to just go to the mall and also see कि what's up और क्या है. Also, for some reason, even though I thought like winters would already be there by now, like my skin is definitely feeling slightly dry. And see, personally, I don't really drink coffee or tea or anything of that sort. Like, I'm not really a coffee drinker, but I know that coffee definitely has a ton of benefits because it's actually a very good ingredient for your skin. It has antioxidants, it helps with puffiness, it is anti-inflammatory, so it definitely has a lot of benefits. But I am just not someone who drinks coffee. So that's why I wanted to try out the new M Caffeine face wash and moisturizer. So let's go get our skincare done and get ready and go shopping. All right, let's get ready with skincare. We are going to use this M Caffeine coffee face wash. This deeply cleanses the skin and removes impurities, improves dull skin because this has 100% pure Arabica coffee and white water lily extracts. It soothes inflammation and hence is amazing for oily, acne-prone skin. And as you can tell, my skin feels so super refreshed after I've used this. Time for the moisturizer. It has pure Arabica coffee, hyaluronic acid, provitamin B5. All of this deeply nourish and moisturize your skin. I love using it in my AM routine as it gives me plump skin throughout the day without making it look oily. I use both of these products together to get the best results, and check out the links in the description box and use my code Shruti20 to get 20% off on the website and app. And now let me just get dressed and see you.
I am now ready with my outfit. I can just tell you how I'm just in love with how my makeup is looking today. I feel like my skincare game has really improved, because of which I feel my makeup is also looking very, very like smooth and dewy and all of that good. Please मेरे skin पे नजर मत लगाना. And I am in love with this outfit as well. This corset is something I'm honestly in love with. I will leave a link to this in the description. It's giving me Victorian era vibes. Love it. I'm just going to style it with these sunglasses. Ooh! I honestly don't know how people keep their white shoes white. I'm going to be wearing these. I wanted to choose this because I know there's going to be a lot of walking around in the mall today. So I just wanted to wear something very comfortable and easy. And I think they look pretty good with what I'm wearing. So I'm just going to quickly wear this and let's go shopping.
So now I am going to the mall. I'm going to probably check out H&M and Zara because those are the places that I know I can get like formal wear. So let's go.
You were always so good at being an actor, making it last just long enough. Playing a game you always won. You never even taught me the rules. You tried to break
our trusty H&M. I really like basics like these because I feel like you can do a lot with them. Even this is very nice. H&M, as I entered, I saw quite a few options. Like this red one I really liked, and I always like anything black. I actually picked up this black one because I really like the finish of it, and the champagne gold color was such a hit. Once I actually wore it, I felt all, boss lady vibes. So this was definitely coming home with me. Then these green pants that I saw in Zara were so comfortable. Oh my god, I loved them. So definitely picked those up. And yeah, here are my Zara and H&M purchases. And then I was very hungry, so I decided to go to the food court and eat a bowl of fruits. Honestly, the grapes in this bowl were so khatta that thoda sa mera mood off ho gaya tha. But yeah, I just quickly grabbed my fruits and head out to my car.
So now I have just got back to my car. It was quite a workout today roaming around the mall. For some reason when I'm shopping in Bandra na, मुझे थकान नहीं होती. But when I'm roaming around a mall, I feel so tired. My legs start feeling very tired. I don't know, something is wrong with me for sure. But something really cute happened. I was just waiting for the lift and this girl just came up to me and said, I just want to tell you that your outfit is stunning. Honestly, I live for these kind of things. Like a guy telling you, okay, you look nice or whatever. It's like, oh, okay, thank you. Like, but when a girl tells you, girl, that outfit is bomb, I'm like, thank you. Thank you so much. I live for these moments. I honestly live for these moments. So I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. So I feel like today was a success. I shopped and I got complimented by a girl. It's a good day, y'all. It's a good day. So I'm going to run back home. So I'm going to quickly go now and yeah, see you guys at home because I'm doing all of this alone. I cannot drive and vlog and all of that. So yeah, see you at home.
Yes, we are back. Can I just say I'm very kind of happy with my outfit today. After a very long time, I am in love with what I'm wearing. And yeah, I think that this outfit is a 10 on 10. Yay. So yes, I think that is it for today. I'm going to end the vlog over here. I will show you guys everything that I got in a separate video. I'll show you guys everything that I got in a separate video because I'm so tired now. I just want to go probably get unready and take Diva for a walk and do all of that. And yeah, I think that is it for today. And honestly, shopping in a mall is very stressful for me. Like when I go to a mall, I'm just like, sometimes that middle class girl in me, just keeps asking like, online तो ये और भी सस्ता मिलता है, फिर मार्केट जाओगे तो ये कहीं ना कहीं तुम्हें ये भी मिल जाएगा, इसके लिए तुम्हें इतना खर्च करना है. Is it really necessary? I think if you're born in a middle class family, that is just something that you cannot ever shake it off of you, no matter how much money you make or not. I feel like that's just something that's ingrained in you. So that's why I find mall shopping honestly slightly overwhelming. But today was a good day. I think I got complimented, we ate some nice fruits and we got back home safe and sound. So yes, I think that is it. Today I think was a pretty decent day, and I have to say that my skin also has been doing pretty decently well. Touch wood, thu. Definitely check out the M Caffeine products. If there is just one thing that you get, I would suggest you definitely try their face wash. Their face wash is actually really nice. It's very mild and doesn't irritate your skin. So you can definitely try that. And yeah, that is it for today. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy.